Hello, this video will be about unsacking of donations that are donated for selling them to benefit the Robin Vissers Foundation. I have not had the time to look at them, so I'm kind of unboxing, but then a little bit different. According to the one who donated this, these are two wedding dresses, size, Dutch size, 36. So I'm going to open the bag, trying to support it with my leg. Does not really work because it's knotted. I'm going to bend down and see if I can undo the knot resting on the floor. It's really tight. I don't know if anyone can see it. Yes, probably have to cut this. Okay. Well, I succeeded. So, first then, maybe I get two or right now. They are really quite big and maybe okay. Yes, there is one still in it. So let's look at what we have here. I hope you can see it. A little bit cornered. Let's see. This. I will walk a little backwards so you can see it more clearly. Yes, it's still, because I can't do it again. Okay. Let me come a little closer again. Looks good. I don't know if there is a sizing in it. No. There is no sizing label. So I have to check using a centimeter. And no, nothing at all. Also not further inside. I have to check with a centimeter and the CNA table with Dutch sizes and a centimeter. Personally, I think this also could be, because I have a lot of friends who wear costumes to Renaissance fairs, etc. This one has a kind of historical look, probably Victorian, could be with little imaginations. Look, it's nice built-in petticoat, different kinds of material. I think it's raw silk, if I look at it, and lace. The same lace is on the sleeves and on the seam. Looks in great condition, no faults as far as I can see, but I will put it on a dummy later and I can check it better. But nice, lovely base for a Victorian gown or a beautiful classic wedding gown. Let's go to the next one. Let's put this aside. Okay. And next one. This one. It's a vintage look, I think. Let's see. Should be off shoulder, I think. Like this. Puffy sleeves. This one looks a little bit more used, but no faults as far as I can see. Not a lot of nice pearl and lace work. Very simple lines. This is the back. As you can see, probably someone has had, I don't know, something added to it or something. Maybe I will remove this and remove this. Let's see. if I can show you. This and this, because they don't belong original on the dress. Here's some details, a little bit closer up. Yes, okay. And the puffy sleeves. So I think it's a vintage kind of garment. Also no size label, so I have to measure that also. This is about the look of it. Okay. I will put both of them on a dummy or a mannequin. We call it paspop. I have two dummies, mannequins, and Buffy currently, let's see, helping me by getting into the bag. Buffy, I don't think that's a wise idea. No, hey. Because Buffy likes to eat plastic. Yes, that's a problem. Okay, I will put it away safely. And the next time you will see me is, now, maybe not see me, but you will see the dresses on the mannequin there. And I will film them so you can see more of them. Well, I've put the dress on the mannequin, and the snoring you hear is Buffy. And suddenly she stops. Okay, but it looks great. Really top condition. I cannot see any mistakes or dirt or anything on it. Sorry, I'm used to turning the camera when photographing, so I have to get unused to it. Okay, it's a beautiful dress, and the underskirt makes it nice and fluffy. It's a 38 in centimeters, and also the mannequin is a size 36, and it's too large on it, so it's confirmed from two ways that it's a 38. It has nice and classic, elegant looks, but could also be seen as a Victorian style dress. Maybe one could use it as a costume and put roses on it, but beautiful. And it's firm body, so all in all, beautiful dress, really perfect. I have just viewed the other videos of me full body a little bit further away, taken with another camera in which I can see what I'm doing. They are vague, and I am afraid I do not know how to help it, so my apologies for that. I'm still learning, don't know how to solve it, and yeah, I don't think I should repeat it, because then the unboxing is scripted, or at least not a surprise, and not as spontaneous. So okay, now let's see this dress, which I described as vintage. I don't know, it's a beautiful dress, very good looking, but also very special. So if you're looking for something unique, I think it's wonderful. The lace and the pearls and the glittering is exquisite. The size is either a small 38 or a larger 36, so I probably call it a 36/38. Puff sleeves, which can be worn, I think, off shoulder. I have to tie them a little bit, so otherwise they drop off. But the skirt is very simple. I think it should be for a taller person or shortened, because the dummy is about my height, about 75 centimeters. And as you can see, also the same details on the sleeves as the bodice, but it's kind of a corset way look. It certainly focuses, and then it's going on in a simple way. So let me show you how I cheated. This, of course, is not meant to be this way, because yeah, normally it rests on shoulders, but on this mannequin it does not stay on, so it's a little bit and here is back. The back is very simple, but still has this on the back. As you can see, it's a little bit large for a real 36, but it does not have very much leeway to be a 38. So something in between, nothing wrong. Let's see if it has a maybe it's a small extension on the back, but I think it has to do with the fact that the gown is a little bit too long for the mannequin. This I have shown in another video. Probably, I don't know. I really don't know what the function was meant to be, but something was here also. Now it's gone. I think I will remove this one to make the dress as it is originally meant to be. So all in all, also a very, very beautiful gown in very good condition. No issues at the seams, which you have with dresses which were worn. So excellent. With a little fancy, you can also see an elven queen in this one. So I always try to look at things in very different ways, and it's a thought you could have. On the other way, it's a beautiful wedding gown with really unique looks and excellent beads and pearl work in top condition. Also, nothing at all wrong or spoiled or anything, as good as new, except I have to remove this one. So when I remove this one, let's see, it will be in perfect condition. I will leave you at that thought for today. I have a lot of stuff to do still. I have to look at the laces I have gotten. So hereby, goodbye.